That time where you embarrass yourself and honk the horn. Good morning, guys. We're at Walmart right in Hi! Trying on a very white shirt so I can make my Disney shirt. Running through Walmart. Yeah, anyway. Gotta go check something out. Going to job, baby! Yeah. What's that person doing? Got flowers. Wonder if it's for me. Yeah, anyway. Got my jumpsuit. Hey people, just driving along the road. Yeah. Hey mom. Yeah, just driving around the road. How we do it. This is how we roll. Yeah, baby, this is how we roll. We rolling in the town with nothing else to do and take another lap around. Bought two more with it and won $10 and that was just right. So I bought a 6-pack and a bag of ice. Even if our ship came in, this is all we got. It ain't like we really need $1 million. Hey guys, so I'm in the car right now. And my mom's in the hospital for an appointment. So, yeah. I'm just sitting here. Hopefully gonna watch Daily Bump, but don't know. Just don't know. I have the windows rolled down so I don't waste gas while I'm in the car because I really don't want to go in the hospital. Like, I want to go sit in the hospital. There's nothing fun there. Anyway, yeah.
Good morning, guys.
Yeah, see, I'm gonna watch
I actually just got
Daily Bump. So anyway, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So, yeah, just waiting for them to get done with the appointment. She should be done in about in about probably 30 minutes. So I'm probably gonna watch 2 Daily Bumps and then she should be out. So hopefully that's how I do. I occupy myself with watching videos. So yeah. So the time is 4:03. She probably just now got into her appointment because it started at 4. So crossing my fingers not too long because he wants to wait. So yeah. Yeah, so it's blah 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 4:25, so she should be out anytime now. I'm just waiting for her to come out. Hopefully I'll be able to drive. So I can just put you guys right here and then go boom 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 boom. Yeah, no. Not gonna go boom boom. Not at all. Anyway, yeah. Just trying to do good things before, yeah. That time where you embarrass yourself and honk the horn. So so now nobody's looking at me, but yeah, I had my arm on the steering wheel for a second, and he goes, beep. I'm like, oops, and then everybody starts looking at me. So, oopsie. Oh my gosh. So it's 4:53, and they're still not out, and it's almost an hour. Like, I just want to drive away. Well, I actually been in here for an hour, actually. My mom, she said about, let's see. Oh gosh. She said 30 minutes ago, she's still waiting in the freaking waiting room. Like, come on. Ooh, this makes me really PO'd. Anyway, yeah. I'm just ready to get out of here. This storm rolling in or something. It's getting dark clouds. So I'm just like ready to move this car. But I can't because I don't have my permit. So yeah. But I'm in the driver's seat too. Yeah. Had to turn on the air because I was getting very hot for an hour. Anyway, yeah. You can't so dang hot. Like, let's just lay on this foot in the gas. It's like, come on. I don't even know what to do. I have a tablet, but, well, a Nook, more like it. But I don't know what to do with it. So, yeah. I didn't really vlog today, so it's kind of boring. So, sorry if you think that. Just been whatever kind of day. Okay, anyway. Yeah. So I am super hot. Ready to drive away. Finally home. Hello! Okay, so I've totally forgot about my channel that needs a video uploaded on it. So going to do that right now because I need to do that. So makeup routine is going up, so go check it out. Alright, so I just got done filming some YouTube videos, y'all. Anyway, is this recording? Okay, it is. Anyway, yes, I just got some YouTube videos filmed for my other channel. So, I filmed 2. So, yeah. Go check it out because one of the videos should be up soon, which is going to be how my YouTube experience is going. And I pretty much explain why I haven't been getting videos up on time. So, yeah. Anyway. Yeah. So, yeah.
This is for Carrie. Okay. Yeah. Alright, let's see. Hopefully this will work. Hi guys. You're probably not being able to see everything that is going on here. Alright, so alright, yeah, okay. Perfect. Alright. Hi guys. I'm just I'm sitting on a computer almost. I'm just gonna act like my sister here and say hello guys, welcome to my vlogging channel. So I'm just erasing Carrie's board. I don't think it was important. It was stuck back there, so I don't think it's important anymore. So I'm just gonna write her a little message because this is what I do for my life since I'm vlogging my life. It's very important, guys. It's very important to share your story with everyone. It really is. Talk about yourself. Why talk about others? Talk about yourself. So, I love you, Carrie. I made a video for you. on your camera. Love, your sister, Kate. Alright guys, so she'll see this video and she might post it on her vlogging channel, so who knows. But I recorded it, so it must be important. I don't really have anything else to say, but I can show you the thing that I wrote to her. I love you, Carrie. I made a video for you on your camera. Love, your sister, Kate. With a heart. Perfect. And this is to her. So, thank you. Bye.
So, Caitlin, I saw the video you made me when you ran from your room to mine, and I was like, why is my light on? And she ran from her room to my room, like, what are you doing? So I run up the stairs, and she's like, coming in, and I'm like, what are you doing in my room? She's like, let me see, what was that? You're like, well, go look in your room. Like, why? And so I go in there, and I see the marker board she wrote, and I guess she filmed a video, and so we watched it, and
Carrie!
Dr. Van. Yeah. You know this is going on my channel, right? Hey, Bobby. Did you know about this? Did you know about this?
No, he didn't know nothing.
Mm-hmm. You tell him everything.
No, I didn't tell him anything because I was in there to see where you were and you went down.
And as you know, I am Carrie's manager in production. I am Caitlin's manager in her production that she made.
Don't you have like 14 subscribers on YouTube?
I have two.
Yeah, I have 14 or something like that. You want 60 like I do?
Carrie, no one cares.
Yeah, huh? He does. He wants people to watch him.
No.
Poor man only has 14. Oh, but you only have 8.
Yeah, and that's including all your freaking accounts.
Yeah.
I probably get stage fright because I'm stuttering on YouTube.
Stuttering.
Soon I'll have 100. I'll surpass all you guys.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
I call over.
Carrie, stop recording me.
I'm recording
I
myself.
don't care.
I do.
Yeah, you'll get that one video on Facebook.
Not on Facebook, but on YouTube.
I have to watch that video.
I'll probably have it sometime next week up.
Next week.
Well, I'm so behind in my daily vlogs that
I may not be here next week.
That's a lie.
you'll be here next week. Yes, you will. You'll be here. He's gonna be here tomorrow. See him through the screen tomorrow. You'll see him. Oh.
Gosh dang it, Carrie. Get the heck away from my cord.
I'm tripping over your cords. You have too much. Why are you chewing on a rag? It's your tutorial. But yeah, you'll be here. You won't be in the screen anymore. He'll be right in front of this camera.
I can finally do my YouTube videos with Caitlin.
Bobby, do you have a camera where you can film? You should buy a cheap camera at Walmart. No, not that. You should do vlogs like I do.
Carrie, he don't need to do vlogs.
Yes,
He's
he
not
does.
like you.
There you go. Do you have a memory card?
He does it from his laptop camera.
Oh. What? He can do like...
Listen, I don't know who that is.
Purple?
You froze.
He did
But
freeze.
as you know, these are some nice people that I know. That's my girlfriend and somebody that I do not know who has that camera. That's my dad's vlog. Bye. How do you turn this off?
You push the little circle thingy? We're gonna need to teach you about YouTube, dude. You know, I've been doing YouTube less than you guys, and I have more subscribers.
You know,
How come?
so you might need to teach me how to use this camera.
Maybe I do, like, better videos than you, I guess. I don't know.
I'm going to have no wish tomorrow to see my girlfriend out before I'm playing, it was so good, and I'm just fucking, oh yeah, these are some
my gosh.
You guys not far on YouTube, right? Believe that?
Bobby, really, you should do daily vlogs. Well, not daily vlogs, but vlogs at least.
I don't know how to do no vlogs.
I'll have to teach you.
And do you know how to do vlogs?
Carrie's vlogs are boring.
They are not. As you can see, I have 60 subscribers that watch me.
Until I step in.
I have 60 subscribers, unlike you.
Yeah, okay.
What about vlogs?
Yeah, vlogs. You don't have to do it daily. Like, you can film
Talk
for...
about yourself, basically. And your day. How
That's what I used to do before I started daily
That's why I
vlog.
watch Vlogging Blonde, Pater.
Vlogging Blonde. That's her vlog addict.
Addict.
Whatever. I don't know. I don't know how to say it.
I guess I should.
Whatever. You know what I mean. You guys know what I mean too, right?
No.
Yeah. But you guys should do
Because we're probably
vlogs.
going to get married soon, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, you can do videos on YouTube about your wedding and setting it up and everything. Check this girl out. She's called Wedding to Wonder.
What?
Look
Why?
up wedding because she does videos for her wedding, and her boyfriend travel around the world. Well, her fiance. She's planning for a wedding.
My name is Bobby, and I'm doing a vlog, whatever you call it today, okay?
But Bobby, are you gonna vlog tomorrow while you're on your way?
Yes, I'm on.
You promise?
Promise.
Pinky promise? Pinky promise to the screen.
Promise.
Promise what?
That he's gonna vlog on the way down here. Do you only have like 3 minutes on it?
I have more than that.
Look. Like, start vlogging and see.
What I do?
I'm gonna have to teach you some vlogging skills, dude. This is how you vlog. Yeah. Hey guys. Yeah. Okay. Go watch my vlogs. But yeah, you need some vlogging skills. What in the world? Get the Oh my gosh.
I know, because I got awesome photog skills.
I have all got paid. Feeling fine.
What the heck, Peter?
Oh my gosh.
What the freak?
Getting this all on film.
He's being shy now.
Bobby! Oh my gosh. I'm getting this all on film. Kaylin, you're in the way.
Oh, look.
Bye.
Bye YouTube, and bye to Katie's vlog. Subscribe to me.
Don't.
But say you'll see him tomorrow in real film.
I'll see y'all tomorrow in real life because I'm coming to Illinois. I want to stay up there for a while. Alright, love, bye-bye.
Hey,
In my vlog.
Carrie, he is exhausted. You're making me want to throw up.
Hold on.
Vlog. It's the best vlog they ever been.
Say
Close
bye.
out.
Say bye. See you tomorrow.
Glozell.
Bye. Get-
Shout out to Glozell.
Hey, shut up.
Shout out to Glozell.
Oh,
And say-
and Vlogging Blonde.
Yeah, and Vloggy Blonde, whoever they are.
At Ars Bond.
And I don't know who that is.
Let's say
Vlogging-
bye. See you tomorrow.
That's Vlogging Blonde's boyfriend.
Let's say bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye, see y'all tomorrow. Good night.